What is phonetic transcription in linguistics?
Phonetic transcription is the visual representation of speech sounds. It aims to capture the precise way words are pronounced, independent of their spelling.
What is the most widely used system for phonetic transcription?
The most widely used system for phonetic transcription is the International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA, which provides a unique symbol for each distinct sound.
What is broad transcription or phonemic transcription?
Broad transcription represents phonemes, the sounds that change meaning in a language. It uses slashes. It focuses on general pronunciation without showing small details.
What is narrow transcription or allophonic transcription?
Narrow transcription shows fine details like aspiration, nasalization, or length. Uses square brackets. It represents actual speech sounds as closely as possible.